Well, we're in the beginning of our finance unit. Now we're going to take a look at the first question here is determine the unit price and the best buy. So we get Edward, he's looking at buying some nails. And he's given three different options. He's got one option, he can get 800 nails for $82.99, 20 nails for $4.99, or 175 nails for $24.95. Now, our choices are, we have to estimate which package has the lowest unit price. Well, if you're going to estimate, you're doing an approximation. Well, this is roughly, if I were to divide this by 4, I'm going to get probably around $20. $20 if I approximate this one per 200. This, the 175 nails for 200 is going to be a little more than that. So it's probably going to be around, oh, we'll say $27-ish. And this, multiply it by 10 to get 200. So we're looking at almost $50 for 200. So based on this, our approximation, our estimates, quick numbers in our head, 800 nails is going to be our best choice. Now, calculate which package has the lowest unit price. Now we got to prove it. So what we'll do for part B, we're going to prove that 800 nails has the lowest price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 800 nails, number of nails, 800, price, $82.99. I'm going to try and organize this a bit. And then I've got 175 nails for $24.95. And then finally you have 20 nails for $4.99. Now you have a choice here. Some people will do this per nail, which is fine. It's an easy process to do that. Or what you can do is per 100 nails, which both are valid options. You get to pick which way works best for you. What? If you're going to do per nail, I'm just going to mess this around a little bit. Per nail, divide price, it's a V, by number of nails. Can't get any easier. That's probably the simplest way, and it will give you the per single nail price. Per 100, you're best to set up a proportion. And it really isn't that much harder, but it's more mathematical. Example, if I was going to do 800, I take $82.99 per 800 nails is equal to how much per 100 nails. So I multiply both sides by 100, and I'll find out what, because that's canceled, I get X by itself, and I'll have my answer. And I need a calculator to figure that out. And you get 1037 equals X. Now that's how many per 100 nails. So that's an option. The reason why it gets a little more confusing is because of that number right here. So what we'll do is we're going to do the per nail price for you. So all you have to do is take the price and divide it by the number of nails. So this is $0.104 because I did $82.99 divided by 800. Now $24.95 divided by 175. We're looking at $0.143, and then $4.99 divided by 20 tells me that this is going to be 0.2495. So, easily your best choice. Now, doing this whole process down here, we found out it was 1037. Per 100, so $10.37. Some people find it easier to visualize the larger number. In this case, when the numbers get small, people misplace decimals. And the next one would be 1426 per 100, or 2495 per 100. So you have a choice. Whichever way makes more sense to you. Now, so the best unit price is the pack of 800. What other factors besides price might Edward consider before making his purchase? Well, the big one is how many nails does he need? If he doesn't need 800, why buy 800? Or, how much money does he have? If he doesn't have $82 or $83 to go buy that many nails, he's not going to. Anyway, I think we can think of a ton of reasons why it wouldn't make sense to buy the big box, but if you can, you're definitely saving money as long as you'll need the nails at some point.